Hello and welcome to my channel, IKnowGadgets. Today, we're taking a look at the Beats Studio Buds, true wireless noise-canceling earbuds. These earbuds are compatible with both Apple and Android devices and offer a range of features that are sure to impress. First, the custom acoustic platform delivers powerful balanced sound, and you can control your sound with two distinct listening modes: active noise canceling, ANC, and transparency mode. The earbuds also come with 3 soft ear tip sizes for a stable and comfortable fit while ensuring an optimum acoustic seal. The Beats Studio Buds offer up to 8 hours of listening time, up to 24 hours combined with pocket-sized charging case. They also come with industry-leading Class 1 Bluetooth for extended range and fewer dropouts, and high-quality call performance and voice assistant interaction via built-in microphones. Additionally, the Beats Studio Buds are IPX4 rated suede and water-resistant, making them perfect for workouts and outdoor activities. Overall, the Beats Studio Buds are a great choice for anyone looking for high-quality wireless earbuds. You can find the link to purchase them in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gadget reviews.